Good morning students. In today's video, we will start our next topic that is invoice and accounts. इसमें हम स्टडी करेंगे प्रोविज़न ऑफ जीएसटी टैक्स इनवॉइस फर्स्ट अंडर सेक्शन 31. इसी टॉपिक के अंडर वी विल सी डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ टैक्स इनवॉइसेस एंड वी विल टेक दीज वन बाय वन. Like in today's video, we will discuss tax invoice, and in the subsequent videos, we will discuss the topics like HSN code, bill of supply, delivery challan, debit and credit note, and accounts. So to begin with, as you can see on your screen, there are different types of GST invoices. First, we are talking about tax invoice, which is issued for taxable sales, and it is a common bill for local sales, central sales and state sales. Next, we will see bill of supply, which is issued for exempt sales plus composition dealers. Tax cannot be charged in this case. Aggregate invoice is another type of GST invoices, and it includes multiple invoices less than rupees 200 in a single day. Combine invoices and issue single invoice for all. डेबिट नोट को भी हम डिटेल में स्टडी करेंगे बाद में, जिसमें अमाउंट पेबल बाय द बायर टू द सेलर इंक्रीजेस व्हेन लोअर टैक्सेबल वैल्यू देन द एक्चुअल अमाउंट एंड लोअर टैक्स वैल्यू देन द एक्चुअल टैक्स. इसी तरीके से क्रेडिट नोट को भी डिटेल में स्टडी करेंगे, जिसमें वैल्यू ऑफ इनवॉइस डिक्रीजेस when higher taxable value than the actual amount and higher tax value than the actual tax amount, goods are returned or there are inefficient services. So to begin with, we are discussing tax invoice under section 31. According to this section, invoice shall be issued before or at the time of removal of goods for supply to the recipient where movement is involved, or delivery of goods, or making available in any other case. Next, time limit for issue of invoices is given in case of goods as well as services. In case of goods, it must be issued before or at the time of removal or delivery of goods. Supply involves movement of goods. Supply does not involve movement. Next, we have for supply of services. It must be issued within 30 days if bank financial institution is included for the within 45 days. If insurer, banking company, financial institution, NBFC, telecom operator making taxable supply between distinct persons, जो कि हमने पहले भी डिस्कस किए थे, invoice before or at the time of recording in books or before expiry of the quarter. So this is the time limit for issue of invoices. Next, we have contents of a tax invoice, which is visible on your screen. It includes various particulars like name, address and GSTIN of the supplier, consecutive serial number containing only alphabets or numerals unique for a financial year, date of its issue, name, address and GSTIN unique ID number if registered of the recipient, name and address of the recipient and address of delivery along with the name of the state and its code, HSN कोड ऑफ गुड्स और अकाउंटिंग कोड ऑफ सर्विसेज, जो हम सब्सिक्वेंट वीडियोस में डिस्कस करेंगे, डिस्क्रिप्शन ऑफ गुड्स और सर्विसेज, एज वेल एज क्वांटिटी इन केस ऑफ गुड्स एंड यूनिट और यूनिक क्वांटिटी कोड देयर ऑफ, total value of goods or services, taxable value of goods or services taking into account discount or abatement if any, rate of tax, amount of tax charged in respect of taxable goods or services, place of supply, place of delivery, and as well as whether the tax is payable on reverse charge, the word revised invoice or supplementary invoice as the case may be, signature or digital signature of the supplier or his authorized representative. So these are the contents of tax invoice. Next, we are looking at manner of preparing the tax invoice. In case of supply of taxable goods, it is prepared in triplicate. Original is for recipient, duplicate for transporter and triplicate for the supplier. In case of supply of taxable services, it is prepared in duplicate, original for the recipient and duplicate for the supplier. Next is given on your screen is the specimen of GST invoice. You can see on your screen the contents we have discussed in the previous slide is given in all this. So in today's video, we have discussed what the tax invoice is, what is the time limit for issue, and we have seen the contents of tax invoice as well as manner of preparation as well as specimen of tax invoice. Thank you.